doing the dancing rice experiment. So what you're gonna need for this experiment is a glass, not too big, not too small, some water, some baking soda, some rice, some white vinegar, and some food coloring. Food coloring is totally optional. This is supposed to do is it's supposed to make the rice look like it's dancing inside of this cup right here. So I'm going to pour it 3/4 of the way in. And so I'm going to get my spoon and I'm going to get like a spoonful of baking soda. So that should be this much. And I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to put a pinch of rice in. Like a couple pinches of rice. And I'm going to pour I'm not going to dump the whole thing in there. I'll do about half. Like about right there. And then I'm going to put some white vinegar. And as you can see, the baking soda is reacting with the white vinegar. And so I'm not going to mix it. I'm just going to let it be. I'm going to put green and yellow in. As you can see, rice is like trying to go to the bottom because their air bubbles are sinking, and then new air bubbles form and lift the rice up to the top, and then it blows up and goes right back down. And so, as you can see, it's like going down and some up, and it's like responding with the baking soda and the white vinegar. I'm gonna put a little bit more of white vinegar. As you can see, it reacted a little bit more when I put a little bit more of white vinegar. And so, as you can see, more of the bubbles are coming down. And if you look very, very closely, you can see like bubbles going over the top. I want to thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment what we should do next. As you can see, you can kind of see some bubbles picking it back up and some bubbles popping on the way down. And so as you can see, I added a little bit more yellow because it really didn't turn out that well. And so this is what is supposed to happen. And like, comment, share, subscribe. And this video is brought to you by the Steam channel. Bye!